Hello, I'm Spenta. Today I'm unboxing samples mailed to me by Veracity Health. As an advocate for healthy living, natural remedies, and holistic health, a gardener, and someone with an active lifestyle, I thought I would give this plant-based, pesticide-free protein powder a try. It does claim to be boosting energy while curbing appetite. Let's give it a try. Let's see what they have sent me through this box. Nice, good size box. I definitely look forward to trying this sample and sharing my journey with you. Oh, okay. Here it is, and I have different items. Meat Metabolic protein powder right here. It is right over here. Look at my item. It's big. I'm looking forward to trying it. This is what I had requested a sample of, thinking it would be really nice because it is pesticide free and it has been tested. It is plant-based. It is natural source of energy. I'm looking forward to trying it. It does say it's vanilla cinnamon flavored. Yummy. That's nice. 20 grams of plant-based protein, 9 essential amino acids, 0 gram sugar, 1 gram net carb. Oh, for more information on Veracity and how to get this metabolic protein powder, check out my video description. I look forward to sharing my journey. Again, as I mentioned, let's see, they sent me a few other samples. This is something else. This says, oh, okay, 2 capsules. That is a 1-day supply, so I have 3 of them for 3 days. It says Metabolism Ignite optimizes metabolic health naturally, healthy weight management, boosts energy, and reduces hunger. It's natural and drug-free. It says #1 doctor recommended natural GLP-1 alternative. That's really nice, right? So I'm looking forward to trying this. I guess you try 2 per day of this one, and I can try this in anything, including coconut milk and almond milk. I look forward to trying it. Thanks again for watching my share, and thanks to Veracity for sending me these amazing samples along with this lovely metabolic protein powder that I get to try. I look forward to keeping you updated alongside throughout with my journey with Veracity Health. Thanks again for watching my share. Your subscriptions, likes, and comments are greatly appreciated. Don't forget to share it, share my video, check out my video description. Again, I'm Spenta. Save planet Earth, now, tomorrow, always. Wishing you well in health.